Have a nice morning, guys. Happy Sunday, Saturday. For today's vlog, guys, nag-video tayo ngayon, guys, kasi ayan, nagpagawa tayo, guys, na conduction sticker para medyo astig naman tingnan. 2 piraso yan, guys. Yan. Kaano yan, guys, ng ating plate number. Ayan, 2 yan, guys. Ayan. Para dito sa ating car. Ayan. Para maganda naman tingnan, guys. At saka nagpalit tayo, guys, ng bagong gulong. Yan. Yung Sita brand. Yan. Bagong bago yan, guys. Para medyo maganda naman tingnan yung ating car. Ang size niya, guys, is 265 65 70 by 16. 2 piraso yan, guys. Yan. Ang production date niya, guys, is 2024. Yan. Ano ito, guys? January 3, ibig sabihin yan. January, pag 3, January, February. Yan. January, Pitsa 3, 2024. Ginawa ito, guys, na Sita brand. Yan, guys, napakakapal. Ayan lang, guys. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.